Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pete, French teacher. This is a reteaching video for class 8 part 1. So let's begin. Question number 1, conjuguer le verbe donner au présent. Now in this you are going to see all the verbs, mostly all are pronominal verbs, that is the reflexive verb. So accordingly we have to conjugate. Je dash se promene tu le mata, means se promener according to je it becomes me promène. As you know that the reflexive pronoun for je is me, and the conjugation according to the er verb it turns to promene. Vous occupez, the pronominal verb is s'occuper du jardinage ce matin. So vous form, vous reflexive pronoun is vous, and according to the conjugation of vous it is occuper. Il dash se dépêcher pour prendre le train. Now se dépêcher, again a reflexive verb, so according to the il the reflexive pronoun is se, and er verb il, according to the il it is dépêche. Elle dash se laver tous les jours. Now se laver, elle form it becomes se lave. Tu dash se réveiller à quelle heure? Now se réveiller it's again for the tu form it becomes the reflexive verb for tu is the, and according to the conjugation we have to put es, so it is tu te réveille. Nous dash s'appeler Bourgio et vous. Now s'appeler according to the nous appelons. Now you have to keep one thing in mind, this is a appeler is a irregular verb. For all the conjugation for je, tu, il, elle there is double l, whereas for nous and vous form you have to just put an one l. So whenever you do that, remember this. Now je se couche très tard aujourd'hui, so it is the je me couche. Conjuguer le verbe donner, le matin, Philippe fait, faire. Now you have to, according to the verb, you have, according to the subject, you have to conjugate the verb. Now Philippe being the il form, so singular, you have to conjugate it as fait. Sa toilette. Now here there is a reflexive verb, se laver, for il it becomes se lave. Il se brosse, for se brosser it becomes se brosse. Les dents. Ensuite il s'habille, then er verb. So accordingly you have to do it. Next is pour aller au travail. Il dash attendre. Now this is not a reflexive verb, this is a regular verb. So il, what is the conjugation for re? Il form is attendre. Son ami devant l'église. Il dash partir ensemble. Now partir conjugation according to il form, ils plural it becomes part. Now météo négatif, ta sœur s'habille très bien. Now how you are going to put the negation form? Now you just have to keep one thing in mind, this is a reflexive verb. So always remember, you are never going to apart this reflexive pronoun and the verb conjugation. Means what is the conjugation here for reflexive? S'habiller. So it will remain the same, you just have to put the ne before the se and pas after habiller. So what will be the answer here? Ta sœur ne s'habille pas très bien. Nous nous promenons dans ce jardin public. Now as we know what is the reflexive verb for nous here is nous promenons. So nous promenons will remain intact, you just have to put the nous, ne before the nous and pas after promenons. So what will be the answer? Nous ne nous promenons pas dans ce jardin public. Je suis avec mes amis. Now here there is no reflexive verb, so it is a simple affirmative, you just have to put this into negative, it will be je ne suis pas avec mes amis. Est-ce que vous rentrez tard ce soir? Now this is in the question form, you have to make this into negative. So what is the verb here? Rentrer. So ne before the rentrer and pas after the rentrer. So est-ce que vous ne rentrez pas tard ce soir? Manges-tu du beurre et des tartins? So now this is a question. How are you going to put this? Ne manges-tu pas the beurre? Now why it is there? As you know, whenever you are putting the sentence in the negation form and there are indefinite articles or partitive articles, for example du, the, la, they, it changes to the form, and over here also it is des tartins, so it changes to the. Répondez au négatif. Est-ce que vous lavez 2 fois par jour? Now you have to put this into negation form. So how are you going to write? Now listen. Now when the question is being asked in vous or tu form, you always have to answer it in je form. So non, je ne me lave pas 2 fois par jour. Est-ce que la tour Eiffel se trouve en Amérique? Non, la tour Eiffel ne se trouve pas en Amérique. Tu te réveilles à 6 heures? Non, je ne me réveille à 6 heures. Now again here tu is given, so answer will be in je form. So non, je ne me réveille pas. Est-ce que vous rentrez tard ce soir? Non, je ne rentre pas. Now, ne rentre pas. It's a simple affirmative. You have to make it as negation. Tard ce soir. Manges-tu beurre et des tartas? Non, je ne mange pas de beurre et de tartas. Remplissez les blancs avec le bon article défini ou indéfini. Passe-moi le sucre, s'il vous plaît. Now, pass, it is a very definite article that please give me the sucre. Sucre is the sugar. So it is being definite. You have to put it as definite article. L'avion est en retard. It is again a definite form that it is late. So it will be always in the definite form. J'achète une chemise pour mon frère. Now here it is a common noun, une chemise. Now which chemise it's not been, we are not saying it. We are just saying it that I purchase or I am purchasing a shirt for my frère. So the indefinite article will be used here. Alex mange un chocolat, il a faim. Now which chocolate we don't know. So it is just a chocolate. So it will be un. Emily aime le silence dans Paris. Now this is the firm sentence that she likes the silence in the Paris. Got it? So I hope this much is clear. Now from question number 6 we'll be doing it into part 2. So à bientôt.